Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve Windows security at a glance empty or blank space. Guys, let's fix that guys. Go to search menu and type cmd. Run as administrator. Click yes. Go to my video description guys. Copy the first command. Copy it. Tap the bar, eject, right click, eject, paste it, press enter guys. Now success is okay. And copy the next command guys. Copy, tap the bar, right click, eject, paste it, press enter guys. Success. Close out of here. And next thing you want to go to search menu and type troubleshoot. Troubleshoot setting, click open it up. Go to additional troubleshooters. Go to Windows update and run the troubleshooter guys. Close out of here guys and go to the next thing you want to go to search menu and type cmd. If you do not get resolved guys, run as administrator, click on it and click ok. Yes, want to type here guys sfc space slash scan NOW. Press enter guys. After finishing this 1%, 100%, go ahead and restart your PC guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely worked for you guys. Thanks for watching my video.